hands-on equations.
Okay, Rachel, I'd like you to help us with this equation, okay, from hands-on equation. So let's begin. What do you see over here?
1x.
Okay, please begin to set up the problem and tell us what you're doing.
Put in 1x
Uh-huh.
plus 2x.
Yes.
Take away 1x
Right.
and a cube of 7.
Since it says plus 7, you're placing a cube of 7. On the other side, what do we have?
Equals 4x.
Mm-hmm.
Take away 1x
Yes.
and a cube of 2.
Okay, so right now we have the equation set up. So at this point, do you see any legal moves we can use to simplify the equation? Okay, take away a point from each side. You can do it again. Okay, now on this side we have a cube of 7. We have a cube of 2 on the other side. What must this point be worth to make both sides equal?
5.
And how do you know it's 5?
Because 2 and 5 is 7.
Okay, please select the value for x. Good. Now, would you reset the problem to do the check? Tell us what you're doing. X. Mm-hmm.
Plus 2x.
Yes.
Take away 1x.
Yes.
Plus a cube of 7.
Very nice. On the other side?
Equals the 4x.
Yes.
Take away 1x.
Yes.
Plus a cube of 2.
Okay. So now you have the original setup, and now we're ready to do the check. We said that x equals 5. So what do you have on this side?
17.
And what do you have on this side?
17.
Okay, would you enter the values for the check, please? Okay, so this side is 17, 5, 10, 17, and this side is what?
17.
Okay, please enter the value of 17. Okay, Rachel, very nice. Thank you.
Hands-on equations.